Happy Friday, guys. I'm just introducing my new journal. It's called For the Love of Peaches, and I absolutely love it. This one here is completely homemade. It's not made from recycled book. So every piece of this my hands have touched, which is pretty awesome. So it has a sari silk closure. And can you see this little guy here? And that there just holds that shut. And this is the front flap. Okay, so there's a pocket there. And then it opens up here. And a tag with a pocket. And it opens up here, and there's a vellum pocket there. And this fun little doodad is just perfect to put some extra writing paper or some photos. And the great thing about this, oh yeah, pocket there, is it's removable. So it just removes, and then you have your cover. And I believe it's 9 or 10 inches. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to measure it. I know the spine, it's 1 3/4. To preserve peaches. There is coffee dyed paper and avocado dyed paper. The kit is beautiful. So there's 3 signatures. I think it's 136 pages front and back all together. It's just beautiful colors. Reminds me of summer. Lots of journaling space. Lots of stuff that you can move around the journal yourself and add to the pockets. Tim Holtz paperclip, of course, with the beads. Lots of lace. I love this. My fingers don't want to work. Cute little envelope. Nothing in that one. peach upside down cake, love it. Little journaling tag. Sewing, that's sewed on. I really had fun making this one. Of course, these are my colors. Can you see that? Lots of that extra little writing spots where you can move them all around the journal. I really was happy when I found this. Gathering the famous Alberta peaches near the city of Tyler, Texas. Recipes for your scrapbook, pickled peaches. Cute little doily. And there's some more removable little pieces. All kinds of stuff to move around. Attach, make your own little tucks. And I love these little pockets. So cute. You see those beads? Peach Betty. Peach cobbler and peach or apple pie. Fruits and vegetables, apple or peach crisp. Avocado dyed. Another little canning company. Some extra papers, and then this little vellum envelope with lots of little goodies in it. Ground cherry and ripe peach jam. This little booklet. envelope here. Peach cobbler, little tuck in there, little tuck spot in there, and some extra paper. And you can clip this in if you want. Cute little pink beads. And this time I used, I hope I pronounce this right, sinew in white, just because it was white. Georgia is peachy. It's a big journaling card. More journaling cards, a tag, and a little label, and then this is a conversion table and a spot to journal for notes on the inside. Perfect for if you were making jams. There's a little paper clip, can you see that? With the beads on it. And then this little envelope, and I'm pretty sure that it's got goodies in there. And then this here, something like that, little secret tuck. And then the back has the journaling cards. Journaling card and a bookmark. And that is it. So I had a lot of fun making this journal. I really love the colors, and I just needed to change my stuff up for a little bit, and it's kind of gonna go with a theme. The next one, I think I'm gonna do one on strawberries and then one on lemons. Might as well stay with the fruit. And there we have it. So this will be listed in my Etsy shop later on, and I will get the dimensions and the page numbers and everything for everybody. So have a great weekend, and bye-bye. Happy crafting.